Alright guys, so today we're going to go ahead and create a farmhouse stool. The idea came from Bob Vila. He had created one. I really liked the style and I wanted to go ahead and show you how to create one. It's a stepping stool if you want to go ahead and get to those dishes that you can't reach. Okay, so it's great, beautiful. The dogs can use it to get on the bed. You can use it in the kitchen, the bathroom, your bedroom, anywhere where you like. It's a great stool to use, very sturdy. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how to actually make one. Okay, so in a previous video, I actually show basically how to glue a 2x2 and a 2x4 together, and also use a planner to make sure that it's nice and smooth on both ends in order to get that fresh wood feel and look. Okay, later on we'll go ahead and stain it and make it look nice like that farmhouse look. Okay. But basically what I did is I bought the 2x2s and a 2x4, and I went ahead and I cut them down to 14 inches by 9 5/8. And then I started gluing them together. Once they were glued together, I went and grabbed the planner and make sure that it was nice and smooth. I did it on all sides to make sure that everything was even. Okay. Then what I'm going to do now is I went ahead and I bought two pieces of plywood, and they're 2 feet by 2 feet. Okay, the goal of this is to basically, once I cut it, you see here the dimensions: 9 5/8, 13 inch in height, 9 5/8, and 10 inches and 3/4. Okay, the goal is to, once we cut this, that this is going to be the stepping part of the stool. Okay, and here's the other one. Okay, and basically that's your stepping stool, right? So obviously you're going to have to cut 2 of these 2 feet by 2 feet, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. I'm going to go ahead and cut it and put the stool together. If you want to see how to glue and how to planner the wood, you can check out one of my previous videos that shows how to do that. Alright, so I'm back with the stool. I've cut all the pieces, and I went ahead and I did 4 additional cuts, which are 11 inches. Basically, is to hold the frame. So I glued it and I brad nailed it in here. As you can see, I nailed it in order to kind of keep it nice and firm. And what you're going to do is we're going to go ahead and place that finish on that stool, just like that. Okay, that's how it looks. What I'm going to do next on my next video is we're going to go ahead and stain it and spray it. The bottom's going to be all white, and this is going to be like a dark wood, so it pops just like it would look like at a farmhouse. I hope you enjoyed the video, and go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.